Hey, it's Stacy with Stacy Dawn Realty. If you're looking for a 4-bedroom, 3 full baths in the Hockley area, 2-car garage, large corner lot, this property's for lease for $2,500 a month. Does come with a washer, dryer, and refrigerator. One nice thing is the primary bedroom and 2 bedrooms are upstairs, and there's another bedroom downstairs with a full bath. So when you come inside, very clean, got the vinyl plank. Carpets upstairs, and then in the bedrooms in the game room. Breakfast area, large living area, beautiful kitchen, have a gas range, nice hard surface countertops, gray colors. Refrigerator, washer, dryer is included. One thing I want to show you is out back. So it has a wind-sealed covered patio. You have a raised garden over there. Cobblestone here, which is really nice. Lights out back, so you have a big, nice backyard. And a covered patio. There's your garden. Previous person had some jalapeno peppers out there, but you can plant whatever. Come back inside, another view of the kitchen. Lots of cabinets, 42-inch. Another view of the living. Around here is a full bedroom downstairs and a full bath. So if you have company, mother-in-law coming to stay, anything like that, they can stay downstairs, which is nice. Upstairs, has a big open game room, very open concept. It's coming upstairs, have a big nice open game room. Right here's your primary bedroom, nice size. Then you have your separate tub and shower, double vanity sinks, nice big tub, big closet, nice walk-in. Here is your separate shower. What's going around? So here is the full bath for the other 2 bedrooms. Large utility room. Washer and dryer is included. Give you another look of the game room from this angle. Pan around. Your 3rd bedroom's right here. Large 3rd bedroom. And 4th bedroom's right here. If you're in the market for a lease property, 2-story, in the Hockley area, right off of Becker Road, give me a call at 832-250-7481. This is Stacy with Stacy Dawn Realty.